Welcome to Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we'll be stir frying clams in chili bean paste.
I have some fresh flower clams here. Go through all your clams and look for those that are open. Tap them a little, and if they don't close, throw them away because they are dead. Wash these clams a couple of times and set them aside. The aromatics that we need for this dish are the usual suspects for Chinese stir frying: ginger, chili, garlic, the white parts of a spring onion. Chop the green parts up of the spring onions into small sections, and we can use it to garnish the dish. We will also need some chili bean paste for the sauce. Chili bean paste is also known as doubanjiang in Chinese. It's the backbone of Sichuan cuisine and the source of umami for this dish. Let's mix the sauce. In a bowl, put in chili bean paste, Chinese cooking wine, light soy sauce, and some water. Now that we have the clams, the aromatics, and the sauce, we can start stir frying. Put your wok over a medium heat. When the wok is hot, add in 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, add in the aromatics and stir fry them for about 30 seconds till they are fragrant. That's the ginger, garlic, chili, white parts of the spring onion. When they are fragrant, add in the clams. Then, pour the sauce over the clams. Give all this a good mix and bring the sauce to a boil. When it's boiling, cover and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, uncover and most, if not all, of your clams have opened up. Taste and adjust your seasoning. If that's the way you like it to be, we are done. Now, after the dish has cooled down, pick out all the clams that are still closed. These are clams that were dead before you stir fried them, so throw these out as well. This is stir-fried clams with chili bean paste.